So our today's topic is about drug and alcohol abuse. Okay, it has been found that nowadays drugs and alcohol are randomly used mainly by the young generations, and it obviously occurs due to the lack of proper guidance or for any lead a stressful life or due to curiosity, but it has a great impact on the health, on their physiology and on their behavior. So first we have to know about the common drugs that are used, their route of entry, their effects, and from where they obtained. So first is the opioid. Actually these drugs are mainly bind with the receptors that are present in our central nervous system or gastrointestinal tract, and then they cause their effects, such as heroin, which is commonly called smack, and this chemical name is diacetyl morphine. Okay, how it is obtained? Mainly it is obtained by the acetylation process of the morphine. The general structure of morphine is given in your book, and it is extracted from the latex of the poppy plant. In generally, it is white in color, bitter in taste, and crystalline in nature, whereas it has no odor. So these are the features of heroin or smack, which is abused nowadays, and mainly it is taken through injection or snorting. Snorting means make a noise by blowing airs repeatedly with mouth or nose. This is called snorting. Through snorting or injection, heroines are entered into our body. So this is the opioid drugs. Mainly it affects the central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. It hampers, it slows down the other physiological body processes also. Second one is the cannabinoids. So these are the chemicals which are mainly obtained from the inflorescence of flower of the cannabis sativa. Okay, and these chemicals mainly bind with the receptors that are present on the brain or central nervous system, and mainly affect the central nervous system. Not only the flowers, leaves, resins or flower tops are often used to produce some similar kind of drugs, which are commonly known as chara, ganja, hashish, etc. These parts of the plants are also be used to produce such kind of drugs, and it is mainly taken through inhalation or oral ingestion. Mainly it is inhaled, taken through inhalation or oral ingestion, and the system that is mainly affected, which is cardiovascular system. It has a direct effect on the cardiac muscles activity, having circulatory problem also. So these are cannabinoids effect. And last one is the coke crack, which is also known as cocaine or coca alkaloid. From where it is obtained? It is obtained from the coca plant. It again affects our central nervous system, but it has a dangerous impact that if it is used in an excessive level, it causes the hallucinations. Hallucinations means, suppose the patient or the abuser is in room and he feels that someone is present in the room. He feels her voice, he feels her presence, but in reality there is no one present in the room. This type of situation also occurs due to the excessive dose. Means our sensory experiences that appear real but created by our mind. The patient found that someone is present in the room or someone is present beside him, but in reality there is no one present. These type of feelings may appear due to the excessive dosage of cocaine. Okay. Next, there are some drugs which are mainly used in mental illness, such as lack of sleep, tension, or other disorders related to the mental illness, such as barbiturates, benzodiazepines, morphine. Morphine is a painkiller which is used after the surgery. Nowadays, these type of drugs are also abused by the young generation or some mental patients also. Not only the drugs, there are several fruits, seeds, mainly in the tribal region or in the rural regions, which are used in the folk medicines or religious culture, rituals or ceremony. They have been used. They also have some hallucination effects also. Means they create a sensory experiences that appear real but created by our mind. Means due to their excessive use, again it feels that someone is present. He might be hears the voice of someone's, but in reality there was no one is present. This type of feelings also occurs due to the excessive use of such drugs. The smoking, it is one of the most common form of drug abuse. Mainly, sometimes it is chewed, smoked, or again snorted. Means making noise by blowing the air through nose or mouth. This is called snorting. Mainly, tobacco is the chemicals which contains the nicotine, especially in cigarette or other forms of the smoking substances. Tobacco is present and it has a bad impact on our overall system. Mainly the nicotine which is present in the tobacco, they stimulate the adrenal gland, and adrenal gland secretes the adrenaline and noradrenaline, both the hormones. Okay, and also causes some effects such as heartbeat or heart rate become increased, also increase the blood pressure. Due to the chewing, it may also causes oral cavity cancer, also causes cancer in urinary bladder, throat, lung cancer is also very common, and other diseases occurs which are related to the cardiovascular system and respiratory system. Mainly heart diseases occur, ulcer occur, bronchitis occurs, and their use also increases the carbon monoxide content in the blood. Mainly livers are also become damaged by the excessive smoking. So these are the negative impact that occurs due to the drug abuse, or mainly the smoking occurs due to the smoking. These are the effects. How adolescence period is related with the drug abuse. Mainly adolescence period means when a particular boy or girl, means the individual, reaches the reproductive maturity, means at the age of 13 to 15, in between the age of 13 to 15. Due to the actually during the adolescence period, due to the development of endocrine system, several organs become developed and increases the secretion of several sex hormones also. So different kind of physiological and behavioral changes also occurs at that time, and many of the youngs or youths during this adolescence period become addicted with the drugs or alcohols. But it occurs due to excessive curiosity, need of for adventure. In many cases it has been found that many of become addicted to drugs due to their experimentation. They want to do it as their first experiment, and ultimately they become addicted with the habit. Also due to some academic pressure or who leads a stressful life. These are the common causes for the drug abuse. But also lack of guidance or lack of proper guidance of the family members, especially the parents, or if there is a bad friend circle there, then it also having a probability of an individual to getting addicted with the drug. But nowadays bad influence of media also a factor that is also responsible for the drug abuse. So these are the, so to prevent it, first of all we have to lead a stressed life. Parents should be careful and always have to be present beside them and giving the proper guidance. With the help of medical help, counseling should be done. So these are the methods to prevent the situation. Now a term, addiction and dependence. Addiction means when the individual continuously take drugs, his body become adapted with this repeated dose of drugs. And ultimately what happened? Ultimately the receptors that are present on his body, they only respond to the higher doses of drugs or alcohol. Means the situation in which he can't stay without taking the drugs. This type of situation occur. This is called the addiction. The receptors that are present on their body only responds to the higher doses of drug intake. This is addiction. And dependence means this is the tendency of our body to create some behavior when regular dose of the drugs are discontinued. This situation is called dependence, means tendency of our body to manifest the unpleasant withdrawal syndrome. If in the regular basis drugs were not provided, means it is discontinued. And sometimes it life-threatening also, and the patient should have to be kept under the medical surveillance. This situation is called dependency. And a common signs which help to identify the addicted person is their behavioral changes occur, lack of interest in each and every cases, and physical symptoms such as weight loss, lack of interest in case of food, excessive loss of fat. These are the common signs of symptoms. So this is about the today's topic, adolescence and drug abuse. Okay.